Was shaking bacon. All right, so here we are with park number 4 of 72. This one is Pilot Knob. I'm currently, as of this date, at park 28, so it still feels like I'm no closer to the 72 than I was back in February, but you know, we're getting there. We're getting through them. So this one I did like, but I was very frustrated with. Going during the winter, I guess, you know, that's kind of what you get. They had all of the roads blocked off, so they could have the roads in the park groomed for snowmobiling and you know, cross-country skiing and all that fun jazz. And there was not a lick of snow on the ground. So me and my wheezy self got to walk all the way up during the wind, in the cold, do the walk. It was needed though, so maybe it was a blessing in disguise. I needed to get out and walk off some, you know, kind of thing. But I really liked it. It was very neat. It's definitely a park I want to visit during the spring, summer, fall. You know, when things are hip and happening and, you know, roads aren't blocked off. They seem to have a ton of trails. Loved climbing up to the tower. Funny enough, the Iowa DNR has an app to where you can check in to state parks. I'm finding not all the state parks are on there though. That was kind of a bummer, but that's all right. And each one of them gives you anywhere from 100 to 300 points if you check in at the state park. Then after so many points, you can get like free stickers or $5 off a night of camping or a free t-shirt. And you know, I found out this weekend, ironically enough, maybe it's not irony, I don't know, funny enough, we'll go with funny enough. Found out funny enough that the state park that's on the t-shirt that you can get once you get so many points and so many check-ins at so many different state parks is the tower at Pilot Knob. So you're gonna hear a lot of wind, a lot of wheezing, but yeah, it was pretty neat. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. So it seems they have the road blockaded. So I'm parked at the blockade because they have this groomed for snowmobiling and skiing. It's a good thing they have it shut down back there. What the hell? And yeah, it is, oh my Lord, it's very uphill. It would have been nice to drive this. My crankiness found it. Still cranky, but glad I found it. It kind of looks spooky. Sorry for all the wheezing you're going to hear in the meantime. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You got this. Right? It's okay. It's okay. It's built of stone. I'm sure it's been here a while. That's pretty neat. I wonder what went there. So I'm sure today is not the day it's gonna come down. Oh, sweet Hannah Montana. All right. Death grip on the phone. Holy shit. What am I doing? Started getting colder than the ears, and I had the hood, so here we are. But thankfully, on the way back, it's mostly downhill because I need it. Holy Hannah Montana. It's cold, but it actually got my anxiousness and frustration out, so that's what I needed. Alright, kids. Oh, finally done with that. I see that I parked really crappy. I parked very crappy. So, to those people who are parked behind me, I don't know if you see them. Yeah, I'm sorry. Holy Hannah Montana. Yeah, that was something. Beautiful, needed. Helped me get rid of the crankies, I guess, for lack of a better word. I forgot to go through what was in my backpack, so my bottle of water and a coat in the big bag, in the little bag, in a little part, my glasses, my toboggan that I should probably have had out, but I didn't, but we made it work. Notebook, chapstick, knife. Yay! Thanks.